Hello students. We have a lot going on after exam 2, so I wanted to make a video and just talk you through some of the upcoming assignments. As you know, tomorrow morning is exam 2 and you can find all of those materials in the exam 2 folder. Tomorrow morning, homework 7 is going to become available, and also pre-lab 7 are going to become available. Homework 7 is due on March 19th at midnight, and pre-lab 7 is due on March 20th at 8 a.m. What's a little bit unusual though is that you're also going to need to do lab 7 independently. So you'll need to do lab 7 outside of lab and have it ready when you come back on the Tuesday after spring break on March 20th at the beginning of lab. So what I would suggest to you is that if you don't want to have work to do over spring break, is that you use the rest of this week to get those assignments done. Note that you need to do homework 7 first. Homework 7 is going to help explain some of the material in lab 7. So you're going to need to follow that order. Complete homework 7, then do pre-lab 7, and then do lab 7. The only information you need to have in order to get lab 7 done in terms of instructions is you need to do pre-lab 7 and read the lab manual. Now, if you struggle with lab 7 after doing that, then I would suggest that you go back and you watch the pre-lab 7 video again. It's going to have the StatCrunch instructions, and there might be some detailed instructions in there that you're not going to get from just watching the video one time. So you'll just need to go back and watch that video more slowly until you get it figured out. All right. So when you come in on March 20th, we're actually going to be doing a completely different lab. We're going to be doing lab 1. So in fact, pre-lab 1 is also due on March 20th at 8 a.m. All right, I hesitate to make these due dates as late as March 19th for homework 7 and March 20th for the pre-lab 7, but I want to give you as much flexibility as possible. All right, so for those of you who want to crank it out before spring break, you've got plenty of time to do that because you have the whole rest of this week. But I do want to give folks who don't want to get into that material yet, the flexibility to do that. So that's the advantage of being in an online class, is that you have that flexibility. All right, but at the same time, I hope you don't look at this as me loading you down with homework over spring break, because we actually have 2 weeks before that Tuesday, March 20th. So you can utilize this time before spring break if you want to get that done. All right, so I hope you all have a great rest of the week, and I look forward to seeing you after spring break.